Hello friends, myself Gunwan Bhatt. Welcome to my channel Quality Knowledge World. Today's topic is about modern quality assurance. All are requested to watch my channel, give like, subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you very much. Friends, now learn about modern quality assurance. This is an approach that aims to achieve quality by organization at every process to get product right first time and preventing mistake ever happening. This is also known as zero defect approach. It is more emphasis on self-checking. The following modern quality tools are in industries: TQM, Total Quality Management, Six Sigma, Lean Manufacturing, 5S and TPM, Total Productive Maintenance, Quality Circle, ISO 9001-2050, Quality Management System, Kaizen Award, Quality Maintenance, CGMP and GMP, Current Good Manufacturing Practice and Good Manufacturing Practice, 7 QC tools, etc. Now comes to TQM, Total Quality Management. TQM has been defined as an integrated organizational effort designed to improve quality at every level. The TQM is the process to produce a perfect product by series of measures requiring an organized effort by the entire company to prevent or eliminate error at every stage in production is called total quality management. Next, Six Sigma. Six Sigma is method that provide organization tool to improve the capability of their business processes. Six Sigma is also increase in performance and decrease in process variation helps to lead to defect reduction and improvement in profit, employee morale and quality of product or services. Lean manufacturing. Lean manufacturing is a methodology that focuses on minimizing waste within manufacturing system while simultaneously maximizing productivity. It is an approach that waste is seen as anything that customers do not believe add value and are not willing to pay for. It means it focused controlling process, reducing manufacturing lead time, reduce the operating cost and improve product quality. Now look to 5S. 5S is a workplace organization method that uses a list of 5 Japanese words: SIR, sort, identify use and a non-use article; system, that means set in order, arrange in order within lead time of article; SISO, shine, clean and arrange in good looking and traceable; Shiketsu, that means standardize, make list and identify in traceable manners; Shiketsu, okay, that means sustain, to maintain this system repeatedly. TPM. TPM is also most modern quality assurance method. TPM means Total Productive Maintenance is method of physical asset management focused on maintaining and improving manufacturing machinery in order to reduce the operating cost to an organization. TPM is holistic approach to equipment maintenance that strives to achieve perfect production, no breakdown, no small stop or slow running, and no defect. Quality circle. Quality circle is not a very popular modern quality insurance, but still some industries are using it. A quality circle is a small group of workers and managers who meet to solve problem and improve the quality of the organization's product or services on regular basis. A quality circle is a group of workers, managers who do production and quality management work, meet regularly to identify, analyze and solve work related problem to improve quality. Now comes to most popular quality insurance method, ISO 9001:2050, that means quality management system. ISO 9001 is defined as the international standard that specifies requirement for a quality management system. Organizations use the standard to demonstrate the ability to consistently provide products and services that customer and regulatory requirements. Now look to Kaizen Award. Kaizen is a Japanese term that means change for the better. It means continuous improvement. It is a business philosophy regarding the process that continuously improve operation and involve all employees. Kaizen sees improvement in productivity as a gradual and methodical process. Management giving awards to employee for the best Kaizen as booster to maintain productivity. Friends, now comes to most popular modern quality insurance method is quality maintenance. Quality maintenance is the sixth pillar of TPM and aims to ensure zero defect conditions. It does this by understanding the and controlling the process interaction between manpower, material, machines, and methods that could enable defects to occur. Friends, now discuss one more popular quality insurance method in modern times in pharma manufacturing equipment companies. CGMP and GMP. Good manufacturing practice GMP is system to ensure product are consistently produced and controlled according to quality standards. The CGMP. The C in CGMP stands for current, which indicates that the most recent standards, technology and method are being applied to operations. Friends, last we discussed about 7 quality control tools. The 7 quality control tools are used in mass production industries. The 7 basic tools of quality is designation given to a fixed set of graphical techniques identified as being most helpful in troubleshooting issues related to quality. The 7 quality tools are cause and effect diagram, check sheet template, control chart template, histogram template, Pareto chart template, scatter diagram template, stratification template. So friend, you must have enjoyed video about modern quality assurance. All are requested to like, subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Thank you very much.